Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS Z28. Gorgeous car, guys. I originally bought and sold this car, I think it was 5 years ago. Great car, it's out of Tennessee. It was a complete body up restoration. When you look at the floors on this car, they're shiny black. Just beautifully done car, and it is a factory X33 Z28 car. It is a true Z. Factory color combination, Daytona yellow, with the factory Hounds Tooth Deluxe interior in it. Just a killer car. So the color combination's right. Car's been done for quite a long time. Matter of fact, gentleman that I sold the car from, he actually got a ton of history for it. He put a nice little book together that's in the trunk for this car. Car was originally restored around, I think, 2000. There's been upgrades since then and stuff done, but the original restoration was done around 2000. It's got the Rally Sport headlights on it. We're going to have to check into those. Of course, they're vacuum driven. There's a reason why they put these slots in them so that the lights could shine through them. In '69, they had such an issue with them, but we're not there. They are hooked up, but we couldn't get them to move, so we'll take a look at them, but I won't guarantee that we can get them working with that old vacuum system. Of course, it's got the cowl hood, front and rear spoilers, the correct Z28 striping on it. Really just a cool car. That'll come off, yeah, it's a little mark there will come off. Not a whole lot to really nitpick this car. Like I said, there's a complete owner history with the car. This car was well maintained. That is a beautiful car. Nice and straight down the sides. Got a set of Eagle alloys on it with BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it. Nice and straight down the sides. Killer car. Front disc brakes. Love the color combo. It would have been factory a 302. It does not retain the original engine, guys. It's got a, I think they said it's a 3D3 stroker engine in it. Small block Chevy, but I think they said it's 3D3 cubic inch. It's supposed to be around 400 horse, I believe they said. It does have the Winners aluminum intake, finned aluminum valve covers, so it looks bone stock underneath here. It does have hooker headers, and of course they've added aftermarket air conditioning. Z's did not come with air. Power steering, power front disc brakes. They've also converted this car. It now has a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. When I originally sold it, it had a 4-speed, and we converted it to the Tremec. Cowl hood, air does blow cold. Again, you can see all the hideaway stuff is there, so we'll try to get them to work, but these vacuum operated systems were not the best right from the factory. It's got a set of aluminum heads on it. I think those are Edelbrocks. Again, it does have, you can see it's got the Winters intake on it, the GM aluminum intake on it. bunch of new stuff I've got to get. I'm just getting back in town. I got several cars to get advertised. We're going to try to knock out as many as we can here in the next couple of days. Guys, I can't stress this to you enough. New door handles. Please pick up the phone and call us if you're looking at one of our cars. 248-620-3355, and that is the only number to call us at. If you're looking for old cars, you know there's just a ton of scams going on right now, so pick up the phone and call us. We've had somebody try to clone our website. They've cloned our Facebook page, so pick up the phone and call. I can't stress that enough. Tilt column, love the old sports style steering wheel on it. Again, this is factory with the deluxe interior, the Hound's Tooth interior. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts on it. Headliner looks great. Gorgeous steering wheel, and it's tilt. 3914, I'm sure that's what's on the resto. Clockworks, factory tach and gauge car. AM/FM radio works. Of course, it's got the center console with gauges. Dash pads, really nice. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is a 12-bolt 331 limited slip rear end in it. Again, here is actually I'll show you that in a second. I'll get out of rhythm if it's just dust, guys. I always like to show you the inside of the trunk there. Factory jack with spare. Again, this is a nice little history that he put together on with the car, showing the owners and stuff like that. And then I think, yeah, there's a copy of the original window sticker when this car was new. Very nice. Everything opens and closes nice. Again, very impressive when you get underneath and look at the car. As always, there's always photos on our website. Our website is southernmotors.com, just like it sounds. That's how it's spelled. That is a nice car. Yeah, turn the key and cruise this one. Great car. Tach works, and clock in there works. Yep, tilt column. Nathan's 6'4", so he loves tilt in these cars. Reverse lights work. Good sound. Nothing too crazy.
Those who are for the sword,
gauges are all functional.
Those who are for
AM/FM works.
famine. Okay.
Car's holding good oil pressure in there. And I will check and try to see if the batteries work, but they're not moving, so that's why they made them see-through in '69. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory at southernmotors.com. You can also check us out on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. You can also subscribe to our website now. But again, I'll stress to you, 248-620-3355. A lot of scammers out there right now. That's a nice car, man. That is a sweetheart. Have a great day, guys.